Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys this new and updated neon outline tutorial on CapCut PC. You are going to select effects and you're going to go to comic instead of the nightclub neon outline. So go to video effects and go to comic, and you're just going to add in the neon outline one, which is this one, and you can adjust the atmosphere a little bit if you don't want it to have too much outline. It's going to look a little bit weird. You can also go to filters and add in an effect on top of that as well if you'd like to, but I'm just going to leave it like that. So I'm just going to go back to media and I'm going to select this green color, but you can select any color that you want. Then you are going to select blend mode and then choose linear burn, and once you're done you're going to select this clip, select copy, right click, paste, and then you're going to select these three, right click, create compound clip, and go to blend mode and choose screen. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!